Good morning to all. I am Bharti, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S. Gopalaji Government State College, Anekal. Today I am going to explain you about the problems on transport costing. Let us discuss about the problem number 1. A practicing chartered accountant now spends rupees 0.90 per kilometer on taxi fare for his client's work. He is considering two other alternatives: the purchase of new small car or an old big car. The items here mentioned is new car and old big car. Purchase price 35,000, 20,000. Sale price after 5 years 19,000, 12,000. Repair and services per annum 1,000, 1,200. Taxes and insurance per annum 1,700, 700. Petrol consumption per liter 10 km, 7 km. Petrol price per liter 3.50 and 3.50. He estimates that he does 10,000 kilometers annually. Which of the three alternatives will be cheaper? If his practice expense and he has to do 19,000 kilometer per annum, what should be his decision? At how many kilometer per annum will the cost of the two cars break even, and why ignores interest and income tax? So here as usual, so we have to go for fixed and variable charges. So sale price is there, and also repairs and service per annum is given in the problem. So repairs and services, here it is given per annum, we are taking under fixed charges. Taxes and insurance we are taking under fixed charges. Petrol consumption is given per liter, we are taking under variable charges. Petrol price is given, and we have to calculate comparative cost of alternative modes of conveyance. So here there is a statement showing comparative cost of alternative modes of conveyance: small car, old big car, and taxi. So here fixed cost per annum: depreciation 3,200, 1,600. Repairs and servicing 1,000, 1,200. Taxes and insurance 1,700, 700. So your total fixed cost comes to rupees 5,900 and 3,500. And next we'll go for variable cost per annum. So this is variable cost per annum. So another petrol. So there's a 10,000 kilometer is given in the problem, and the rate is 3.50, and it should be divided by 10. So you'll get 3,500 for new small car, and like that 10,000 into 3.50 divided by 7. So you'll get 5,000 for taxi, that is old big car. And next one is petrol is given 19,000 kilometer into 3.50 divided by 10, means you'll get 6,650. Like that 19,000 kilometer into 3.50 divided by 7, so you'll get 9,500. So your total cost for 10,000 kilometers, that is 5,900 plus 3,500, 9,500. So like that you have to make for this also, that is 8,500, and if the tax is taken, the cost will be 9,000 rupees. And 19,000 kilometer 5,900 plus 6,650, you will get 12,550. So like that also you have to calculate here 13,000, and the total if tax is taken, 17,100 will be the cost. For the present practice of 10,000 kilometer, the total cost for the old big car is the lowest. Thus this is the cheapest alternative, but when practice expands, the new small car will be the cheapest. So here there is a break-even point. So this is the formula you have to take. The difference in fixed cost between old and new car, it is divided by, so it is divided by difference in variable cost per unit between old and new car. So that is 5,900 minus 3,500 you have to take. And so here 35 paise minus 50 paise, so you will get 0.15. so here if you deduct this, you will get 2400 divided by 35 paise minus 15 paise. It should be divided by 0.5 paise. So remaining is 16,000 kilometers we have to take. So here there's some missing items. So 5,900 minus 3,500 means we'll get 2,400, and 35 paise minus 50 paise, it should be divided by 15 paise. You'll get 16,000 kilometer. 16,000 kilometer. Like this we have to calculate. Next we'll go for next problem. From the following data relating to two different vehicles A and B, compute the per running mile. So there are two vehicles A and B. Mileage run annual 15,000, 6,000. Cost of vehicle 25,000, 15,000. Road license annual 750, 750. Insurance annual 700, 400. Garage rent 600, 500. Supervision and salary 1,200, 1,200. Drivers wages per hour rupees 3. Cost of fuel per gallon rupees 3 and rupees 3. Miles run per gallon 20 miles and 15 miles. Repairs and maintenance per mile 1.65. 2. And tire allocation per mile 0.80, 0.60. Estimate life of vehicle 1 lakh miles and 75,000 miles. Charge interest at 5% per annum on cost of vehicle. The vehicle runs 20 miles per hour on an average. So the problem I have to calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ operating cost sheet for the year ending ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು, so vehicle A per mile, so this is vehicle B and this is per mile. Okay, so as usual first we have to take fixed cost and variable cost. First we have to allocate. So here road license comes under fixed cost, insurance comes under fixed cost, garage fixed cost, supervision and salary fixed cost. Driver wages, here it is given per hour, so therefore we are taking under variable cost. Cost of fuel per gallon, so here it is also you have to take under variable cost. Miles run per gallon, and repairs and maintenance per mile, here we have to take under variable cost. Tire allocation per mile, so this is also variable cost. Estimated life of the vehicle, so and there's an interest charge. So here estimated cost of vehicle we have to take for calculation of depreciation. So first we have to take all fixed charges. It is also called as a standing charges. So here it is given per annum. Road license 750, 750. Insurance 700, 700. Garage rent 600, 600. Supervisor salary 1,200, 1,200. Interest 5% on cost of vehicles. So actually what is the cost of vehicle? So cost of vehicle is given here at rupees 25,000, 15,000. On this we have to take interest at 5%. So interest at 5% on vehicle, you will get 1,250 and 1,250. So if you add all this, you will get 4,500 as fixed cost, and here also the value is missing, so please add this value, so you will get a total amount. So 4,500 divided by 15,000 means per mile you will get 0.30. Per mile it is 0.30, here also 0.60. Next, variable cost per mile. Driver's wages 3 per hour 20 miles. So for 20 miles it is 3 rupees, means we have to convert into per unit per mile value. So I'll get 0.15 and here also 0.15. Fuel cost per mile you will get 0.15, 0.20. Repairs and maintenance 1.65, 2 rupees. and tire allocation 0.80, 0.60. Depreciation cost divided by estimated life. So first you have to take the cost divided by estimated life, means you will get 0.25 and 0.20. Total cost per running mile 3.30, 3.75. So this is the information I have taken from M.N. Arora, Costing Method Book, Theory, Problem and Solution, Himalaya publication.